10/10/2012, and yesterday, with all of my MMTs and all of our traders worldwide, and I said worldwide, everybody that's outside of the country is welcome here. So, what I will tell people is that this long term, I told everyone because of the way that Apple had traded down below its 50-day simple moving average. Well, the S&P is going to come to this major. We had the top, we got short. We got out right here at this last support level that we went up here on this daily. Now, let me just show everyone one thing on the S&P 500 is that we said the correction is a correction. And what I'm going to say is that the broader part of the S&P 500 has finally gotten what it should get. And that is its pullback from its bull run. Now, when you take the lows here and you come across right here, we're at a major breaking point right there on that S&P. Connects here, connects right there at support, and we're below that diagonal trend line. That 50-day simple moving average is at 1425. We told everybody that 1425 would be that support level. If we break that support level as instructed from our short up here at 1475, that you could come down to 14, let's just call it 1415, 1410 really. This is the half of the bar, but if we get right, so we got 1418. We also have the full move down here, because what ends up happening is if we break that 1425, that's that first support level that I've been talking about for the last couple weeks. S&P hit its low today of 1430, and we're right there, two handles off of it. So, once again, the pullback is in play. $50-day moving average is at 1425. If we sell through the 50-day simple moving average, we're below the 20 and the 10. We've had 4-day reversal on the S&P as anticipated, and we're in the heart of the earnings season, meaning that it just started yesterday. It's a light week today, but we have a lot more to go. Now, when Apple Computer broke its 50-day moving average, here's what happens when they break it. So let me use Apple here, where the 50-day moving average was up here, and you can see on this chart what happens when you see the white line. See that 50-day simple moving average? You sold right down to the 100 here where we bought it. But that doesn't matter. What matters is that you can see the 50-day simple moving average on the S&P. If they break, it'll look like that down to those other support levels right above 1400. Like I said, people start to sell below 1425 and 1410, and then ultimately, and I'm just using the Apple chart here, that's what happens when the 50-day moving average is breached on dailies. So, the area, if we break it, when we get there, we would take a look at where this major level at 1380, or right above the 200-day simple moving average at right around, what is it, let's say 1367. But we would have to sell through the 50, break support 1 at 1425. So we break the 1425. We come down, we break the support level, which is half of that S&P bar, half of our S&P bar, daily bar that we use in our systems. Okay? And that there would be your support level right below that 50-day. Now, selling can get ugly once they break it. If they don't recover right away, generally they bounce on the first pass. There will be stop market orders that can be taken out there at this white line. And you're below the 20 and the 10. That's my major update on the S&P 500. We've got that 1425 coming into support level. We break the 50-day simple moving average. We come lower, then we look to see where that bull, where this bull, there's your reversal. There's your half bar. That's it right there. That's it. Bam. and then here, a counter trend to reversal over here from the same half bar. So basically what I am going to say is that the lower support levels, really 1400, you got those other short-term support levels, but you could sell down and undercut that 50-day and then come right back. Some of the major earnings in some of these companies could drive this S&P down here very easily. I just want people to know what this S&P 500 looks like. Our target was 1475 in the shorter term, and we hit it and we sold it. And then we bounced up and then it reversed again. And we're making a lower low within the overall reversal channel. Okay? And there is your bar, half bar once again. 50-day simple moving average S&P update, major update.